Introduction to Pipe and Flange Protection. Let's have a look at the products. Pipe caps. Our pipe caps protect the external threads on pipes and conduit ends. Our full range of plastic pipe caps includes open-end vent caps, closed-end caps, vented caps, flexible caps. Pipe plugs. These are available in two styles, with flexible ribs of different diameters to fit multiple schedules of NPT and drill pipe. Their purpose is to provide excellent protection against contamination. Flange protectors. These provide a guard against dirt ingress, corrosion and moisture, impacting the face and bore of the flange. The range includes full face, bore and bevel protection.